Walmart, $7.97. It's a shovel, it's a saw, you can beat people with it. Can't beat it.
And what are you going to use it for tonight?
Poking the fire.
I thought you might want to beat somebody.
Well, sometimes you got to restrain yourself, you know.
That thing looks dangerous.
It must be. I must have pinched my finger or something.
Are you bleeding?
I'm always bleeding.
Oh, jeez. This is Jerry's idea of a YouTube video. Hold it up. He's ready to hit me with it.